Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Detergent Dispenser is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential additions to any modern laundry room, transforming a mundane chore into a streamlined, efficient process. Imagine a world where every wash cycle begins with the perfect amount of detergent, no more guesswork, no more messy spills, and no more wasted product, all thanks to a smart, automated system designed to simplify your life and elevate your laundry game. This isn't just about convenience, it's about precision, cleanliness, and a touch of innovation that makes your home run a little smoother. Number 5. TidyFriend Liquid Laundry Detergent Holder Stand. Tired of detergent holders that don't fit? This dispenser is designed for universal use, accommodating most detergent and softener bottles. It's a seamless addition to your laundry setup without taking up extra space. Skip the struggle of lifting heavy containers. Our stand features a downward angled platform that uses gravity for smooth, effortless soap flow. Enjoy zero hassle with every pour. Messy puddles and wasted soap are a thing of the past. With non-slip rubber feet and a molded drip tray, it catches every drop. Keep your counter spotless and slip-free. The included adjustable strap locks your detergent in position, creating a rock-solid station. No more sliding bottles or risky falls, just stable, secure storage. This smart dispenser is designed for total convenience. It provides a place for your bottle and cup in one tidy space. It even works as a fabric softener dispenser, making laundry day smoother. Setting it up is easy. Simply place your container on top and fasten the strap securely around it. Ensure it's fixed enough so the container remains stable. What we like? Tired of wrestling with heavy detergent bottles? This dispenser features a unique angled platform for effortless pouring, letting gravity do the work. Its universal fit and drip tray keep your counters clean and secure. If you struggle with lifting heavy items or want a mess-free pouring experience, this is the perfect solution for your laundry room. What people say? It works exactly as advertised. The strap has silicone strips on it to hold the container in place. My 1.51-gallon laundry detergent container fits perfectly and it is so convenient to use. Works as it should, easy to use and non-slip. Number 4. Conworld Laundry Detergent Dispenser. Introducing the Conworld Laundry Detergent Dispenser, the perfect solution for organizing your laundry room. Keep your scent boosters and stain remover powder neatly stored and easily accessible. This dispenser is not just for laundry supplies. It's BPA-free and can hold rice and other small solid grains. Please note, it's designed for solid forms only, not liquids. If you're using powder, a simple tip can ensure proper dispensing. Gently stir the powder with a stick, especially in humid conditions, to prevent clumping and ensure smooth flow. Reclaim your tabletop space with this wall-mountable dispenser. Easily install it in your bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room to save valuable counter space. Our upgraded dispenser features a larger, stronger sticker and included screws for a secure, fall-proof installation on any wall surface. Enjoy peace of mind with its reliable hold. Dispensing is a breeze. Simply aim the cup at the center of the raised button. This ensures an easy press, saving you energy with every use. To maintain its quality and prevent damage, avoid placing the dispenser in high-temperature areas. Keep it away from heat-generating appliances like dryers. What we like? Looking for a way to organize small laundry room essentials? This dispenser is ideal for scent boosters, powders, and even rice, keeping them easily accessible and off your counters. Its wall-mounted design saves valuable space, and comes with enhanced stickers and screws for a secure hold. If you primarily use solid laundry additives and need to maximize your storage, this is a great choice. What people say? This dispenser is a game-changer for my laundry room. It keeps my detergent neatly organized and ready to use. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly with my decor. I love how easy it is to dispense the perfect amount of detergent every time. No more spills or wasted soap. It's a simple yet brilliant solution for keeping my laundry area tidy and efficient. Number 3. Kitchentoolz half-gallon glass laundry detergent dispenser. This dispenser holds up to 64 ounces, offering a convenient way to keep your laundry soap readily accessible on any shelf or counter. It's designed for various liquid products like detergent, fabric softener, or even household syrups. The pump top ensures controlled pouring and minimizes drips. The clear glass bottle allows you to easily monitor the contents, so you'll always know when it's time for a refill and keep your laundry area tidy. With its sturdy pump, this dispenser makes laundry days easier. You can dispense soap without the hassle of lifting heavy bulk containers. This 64-ounce bottle provides a large capacity, reducing the need for frequent refills. It's a practical choice for busy households and fits well in most laundry spaces. Its simple and polished look complements any laundry room decor, whether on open shelves, in cabinets, or on countertops. This dispenser is ideal for creating a cohesive and organized look in your wash area, fitting perfectly with refillable containers and labeled bottles. What we like? Want a stylish and practical way to store your liquid laundry products? This half-gallon glass dispenser with a pump top offers a clean look and controlled pouring. It's perfect for detergent, fabric softener, or even syrup, and its clear design lets you see when a refill is needed. If you appreciate a polished aesthetic and prefer a pump for easy dispensing of liquids, this dispenser will elevate your laundry space. What people say. The dispenser is well made and looks great in my laundry room. It holds a good amount of detergent and is easy to refill. The pump works smoothly and dispenses the right amount of detergent every time. Number 2. HomePekite Laundry Pod Storage Container Set. Introducing a comprehensive set designed to bring order to your laundry room. This collection includes containers for pods and dryer sheets, along with convenient scoops and labels. These large containers offer ample space for all your laundry essentials. The wide-mouthed design ensures effortless refilling and access to your stored items. Crafted from premium, shatter-resistant acrylic with natural wooden lids, these containers are built for everyday use. They provide a safe and durable alternative to glass. Keep your dryer sheets fresh and their scent intact. This container is perfect for storing various laundry items, ensuring they remain in optimal condition. These versatile containers aren't just for laundry. They are ideal for organizing items in your kitchen, bathroom, and other areas, helping you maintain a tidy home. Maximize your storage with these thoughtfully designed containers. Their efficient size and easy-to-clean features make organization a breeze. What we like? Need a comprehensive solution for organizing various laundry room items? This set includes multiple acrylic containers with wooden lids, perfect for pods, powders, scent boosters, and dryer sheets. They are shatter-resistant and come with labels for easy identification. If you're looking for a complete, stylish, and durable organization system for all your laundry essentials, this pack is ideal. What people say. Placed on the shelf, they look much nicer than the plastic containers that the laundry pods come in. Not only do they save space, they feel sturdy and high quality. The clear containers with the wooden lids are really pretty, and the labels are a nice touch. Super functional while still giving that elevated, organized look, such a great upgrade. These containers have a large storage capacity, well made, and easy to see what is inside. Great quality and looks good too. Number 1. 105-ounce wall-mounted laundry scent booster dispenser. Tired of a cluttered laundry room? This dispenser is designed to neatly organize your laundry scent beads, keeping your space tidy and making laundry day less of a chore. It's also perfect for storing rice or pet food. Crafted from premium plastic, this dispenser is built to last and can hold a significant amount of product. For optimal longevity, avoid placing it in excessively hot or humid environments. Simply load your scent boosters and get the perfect amount with just a gentle push. It dispenses smoothly, ensuring a clean and mess-free experience every time. Get it set up in no time. This dispenser features a drill-free installation process that takes just a minute. Just clean your wall, stick on the included adhesive, and attach the dispenser. Your purchase includes the dispenser itself, 2 handy measuring cups, and a reliable non-marking sticker for installation. Everything you need for a tidy laundry space is right here. What we like? Seeking a simple, space-saving solution for your laundry room? This wall-mounted dispenser is perfect for scent booster beads, dry foods, or grains, offering easy dispensing with just a push. It installs quickly without drilling and includes measuring cups for convenience. If you need an efficient way to store and dispense solid items and want to free up counter space, this dispenser is a practical choice. What people say. This dispenser is a game-changer for my laundry room organization. It holds a good amount of detergent and fabric softener, reducing the need for constant refills. I love the sleek and modern design of this dispenser. It looks great on my shelf and keeps my laundry area tidy and clutter-free. The pump mechanism is smooth and dispenses the perfect amount of detergent every time. No more spills or guesswork. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.